A very important window in the program is the Project Properties window. We choose File, Project Properties. In this window, we can enter the name of the author of the project and the title. The texts entered here will be automatically inserted in the footers and headers in the generated reports of the program. Below, we choose the numbering method for bars and nodes. In the Properties grid, we specify the value of the grid size that appears in the main program area when entering bars. In the Properties element scaling for the selected option, we determine the size of the displayed symbol, such as supports and loads, in the main program area. For example, we select supports in the drop-down menu, we change the value on the slider, and we can automatically see how the size of the symbol will be inserted support changes in the program working area. In the Properties Calculation Parameter section, we determine the parameters of the structural analysis calculations performed by the program. We decide whether the envelope of forces is to be generated, whether the ties are to be included in the calculations, or if the structural analysis should be carried out according to the second-order theory. In the Statistics part, we find the basic information about the created structures, such as the number of nodes, bars, and the structure weight.